just got off that boat. This is a continuation of the other video. I'm going to put them together. Heading off to the Tricycle D Ranch. Believe it or not, that's a crow. Right about there. Crockett's Tavern at Pioneer Hall. Now we're coming up on Trails End restaurant. It used to be a buffet. Now it's standard meals. This building is where is Pioneer Hall, where the Hoop-Dee-Doo Revue is performed. It's been about 6 months or so since I've been here last. This building is entirely new and I don't know what it's for. When or if I come back, maybe it'll be complete by then. But it looks like it's made out of cinder block. All right. I'm likely not going to film it, but this is the bus stop where bus drivers are relieved. Bus is re-inspected, and I will either go to, this one says on the back Magic Kingdom, that's its destination. There's a few other stops, color-coded areas within Fort Wilderness that I'm in, and also Wilderness Lodge. I'll be going to Wilderness Lodge later. And there is the Tri-Circle D Ranch. And we see a horse being given a bath. Is it old Calliope that used to be played in years past? Bridles for rented horses, or horses that are rented for use in weddings. This is a Percheron named Jet. Percheron named Samson. Taking a nap. Percheron named Silly. Got its mane done in a braid. A Belgian named Red. At the neck, this looks like it's about 6 to 12 inches taller than I am. This is a Clydesdale named Skylar. Quarter horse named Cheeto. If you were to ask it, it would probably indeed tell you it's not easy being cheesy. There was a Shetland pony in here named Buster. This one doesn't seem to be in right now. Keep in mind that this guy scrubbing this horse down looks like he's as tall, if not a little taller than me. And that horse is clearly 7.5 feet tall. Or taller. Hello. Thank you. Skylar. Looks like it's kind of upset about being short on feed. It's upturning its food. All right. The reason why there's horses out in the open where we can see them and there's horses back here is the ones that I filmed so far are acclimated to people coming close to them. The ones back there are accustomed to their trainers or the people that operate with them. They are not comfortable with the general public being around them. Jet's a little shy. Oh, look who's waking. It's Samson. Waking up from his pony nap. And just for orientation, there's the Contemporary and Bay Lake Tower. Bay Lake Tower is the one on the right. The bus stop that I'll be taking to Fort Wilderness. Excuse me, I'm at Fort Wilderness Lodge. You see, that one said Outpost, purple. That is one of these colored stops within the campgrounds for people that are going to the boats from a certain section. Big boy. I'm going to cut off the video here. I'm going to do some wandering around the Wilderness Lodge. Maybe I'll film it, maybe I won't. I'll add it to as an extension of this video. We'll see.